don't start. If you start, you will let me.
Yeah, I started.
This is the tire. This is the ring.
Makes it move.
This is the tire. This is the ring. This is the pump. In this particular time, this tire is not okay. We need to change it. It make the thing bounce when it's on high speed. So now we change the tire, and this tire costs almost 250,000 to cost
For the set.
for the set. And with the elo, one of the bolts is not okay. It's not here. We need to fix the bolts. And the brake pad, this is what called the brake pad. The brake pad is not here.
Behind the caliper.
Behind the caliper. Wow, yes, you know, behind the caliper. You need to fix it right. To look about this bumper, the proper of this bumper.
It has shape, but Honda doesn't have interior.
Wow. This is the Honda product. We need to make it be sweet about it to show the beauty of the work. Wow, this is the Honda product. So now we have Nigeria plate number. We have to fit it there as now the direct version of the car. We have never fixed it. About the car will take us like 250,000 to fix everything, to make everything be right, to make everything be okay. Wow, yes. To take a look at this light, this is the direct version of the lights.
They have fairly, they have depot.
We have Paris, we have depot, we have wheel, we have Beijing, we have okay. And in this away round, this light work with this one. But this one make it to be sharp, to be okay, to be well. So just take a look at the bottom of the car.
Take a look at. Just imagine. The upper brake stands for what? The upper light.
This is something that is crystal work when you are doing things to be okay. You have to give it the normal paint to be okay like this.
Wow.
It's not like this. Like this.
It has fade.
Don't forget. Like this. So just take a look at this. The mistake is from here. Let us make okay to be here. This is the wiper. When rain is falling, we see okay.
Or dust.
Or dust. Important. Rainy season, yes. Rainy season. Let us go around. Wow, this one is okay.